Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you to install WhatsApp on your iPad. Alright, so go ahead and go to your Play Store or your App Store. Alright, so if you're not on the app, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna search for WhatsApp. As you see here, you're gonna search. There's the app. You're gonna hit download or get. So for me, I was downloading it already. So I'm gonna hit resume. Alright, so as you can see here, it will download the app. And it's doing its thing. There you go. It's now downloaded. And you should have the WhatsApp icon here in green on your desktop. You can go ahead and launch. All right, it says welcome to WhatsApp. I'm going to hit continue. And it says here, it gives you the option to log in. Now, of course, log in to WhatsApp here, meaning that if you have WhatsApp on your phone already, so I have WhatsApp on this device here, so I'm going to use this to log in. So it says open WhatsApp, tap settings on your menu. And of course, it basically gives you a breakdown of what to do. So I'm going to do that. So I'm going to unlock this device here. It's very easy. And I'm going to go to WhatsApp. So I'm going to launch WhatsApp. All right. So once you've launched WhatsApp, make sure you go to the U profile right here. So I'll tap U. Mine is already set up in terms of I'm going to go ahead and we're going to look for the option. So mine was already linked to my laptop, but it doesn't really matter. You're going to look for link devices. So make sure you're on the U tab, then go to link devices. So I'm going to tap on link devices. It's basically telling you here that my watch is linked. And of course I have my Mac and it tells me when I did it. So I'm going to say link a device. And there you go. It's asking you to scan the code. So I'm going to go ahead and point it over here. All right, there you go. It's showing you that basically allow notification on WhatsApp. So I'm going to hit continue. And it says WhatsApp would like to send you notifications, which is very easy. So I'm going to hit allow. All right, so all of my messages have been transferred. And now I have iPad, which is currently active, meaning that's what's being used. All right, so now I can use either. And of course, my WhatsApp messages are shown. And I can actually use this to communicate as normal. All right, so there's WhatsApp. And of course, I don't need to use an additional number on my MacBook or my iPad in this case. All right, so that was helpful to you guys. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.